homeless, jobless, accused of burglary. But when this judge started asking questions, the whole story changed. You won't believe what happened next.
All right, are you homeless?
Yes,
All right, so why don't we start with you're homeless. How long have you been homeless?
for like 2 years.
So when's the last time you had employment?
The last 4, 5,
Why are you unemployed?
I don't work.
Okay, why don't you're charged with the offense of burglary of a building with intent to commit theft? That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding of guilt as you apply for deferred adjudication. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, my client is very motivated to make certain that he complies with this court's orders. If this court is going to grant him deferred adjudication, he understands the ramifications if he does not, and he would very much like this court to follow the recommendation.
All right. Mr. Reyes, why are you going into schools?
I went to go use. I didn't use the restroom, and that's what I was looking for at the time. I just needed to go to the restroom, and then.
All right. Was this during a weekday?
I can't remember.
All right.
I know it was after hours.
All right. So why do you think it's okay for you to go into property that is not yours to use the restroom? That's what gas stations are for.
I didn't think it was okay. I just needed to use the restroom, and I just went in and left. I didn't mean to cause no trouble or anything.
All right. You can't do that.
I'm
You understand? You're not allowed to go into places where somebody has not welcomed you. And if you're not a student, you're not allowed to be on campus unless you have clearance to be on campus. And you're definitely not allowed to go into schools after hours. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
So why can you use the restroom at your home or some other place?
I had to use the restroom right there, and then I couldn't wait.
Okay, there's something else going on. When in my time on the planet, even though I'm in the twilight of my life, when I have to use the restroom and it's an emergency, I either go to, if there's a McDonald's near, I just go in and say, I'm buy a Coke, use the restroom, buy a Coke, that's it, because they want you to buy something. Or either you go to a gas station, I go to the gas station, I'm like, this is filthy, I'm just going to have to hold it, and hopefully my kidneys will survive. But I don't go on at a school campus after hours. So again, we're back to why are you on a school campus after hours? Was there not a gas station near?
I wasn't near a gas station, I don't think.
All right. Are you homeless?
Yes,
All right. So why don't we start with you're homeless. How long have you been homeless?
for like 2 years.
So when's the last time you had employment?
The last 4, 5,
Why are you unemployed?
I don't work.
Okay. Why don't you work?
I haven't found a job.
There are plenty of jobs around. So have you applied?
No, man.
Okay. So how do you expect to find a job if you haven't applied for a job?
I can unless I go looking for one.
All right. So is there something else going on with your client? Are there mental health issues, anything of that nature?
Judge, I'm not aware of any mental health issues.
All right. Are there any mental health issues with you?
No, man.
All right. So a lot of people are going around, they want to be nomads. Fine. You want to live off the land? Fine. You want to carry your backpack, go down the highway and eat off the land, see a fruit tree eating fruit or whatever, that's fine. But you cannot be inconveniencing other people because you decided that you don't want to work. If you're going to be on probation in here, I require everybody to have a job. So I'm going to give you a choice. And here's your choice. You can do a year at the state jail facility, or you can be on probation here. But if you're on probation here, you will get employment.
Yes, Your Honor.
So which would you prefer?
Probation with a job.
All right. So where are you going to be staying, or who are you going to be staying with?
My mom.
Does your mom want you there?
Mm-hmm.
Have you called her?
No,
So how do you know she wants you there?
because that's where I stay at.
No, you said you were homeless.
Yes, I'm homeless, but I stay outside the house.
What do you mean you stay outside the house? Does she have you living in the yard or something?
Yeah.
With a tent?
No, just outside on the bench.
All right. So I can tell you, if your mom has you living outside on the bench, she does not want you there. So the next question is, what is your drug of choice? What drugs have you been using?
I don't have a drug choice, but if I were to do one, it would be methamphetamine.
All right. So how many times have you used meth in the past?
It's like a good 6, 7 times.
How far did you go in school?
I graduated 12th grade.
All right. So what are you planning on doing with the rest of your life?
Well, I was trying to, what I was thinking is just to get a job but to change my life and make it go around.
All right. This is what the court is going to do. Court is going to do a $500 fine probated. Do you have any children?
No, man.
Okay. Court is going to sentence you to 2 years deferred adjudication, 100 hours of community service restitution, proof of employment within 30 days of release. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. You're not going to be allowed to live with your mom. If your mom doesn't want you in the house and if she's allowing you to live on a bench outside her property, that means that she doesn't want you there. And the reason why she probably doesn't want you there is because you have issues, the methamphetamine and all of this other stuff and not working. Because how old are you?
33.
You're 33. You're an adult. You should have employment. Nobody else should be supporting you. You understand?
Yes, yeah.
I'm going to want a TAP evaluation. Anything else he needs? Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Probation, is there anything else he needs? Have you ever had employment before in your life?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so you know how to get employment, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. In this court, probation, we take it very seriously. If there is an issue, let your probation officer know. If you feel probation is not addressing that issue, then you can come to the court. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you're going to have to do better in your life. All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank
You're
you, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition 5 and cause number 2018 CR 11973? If the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 5?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 5 and cause number 2019 CR 8622W? Court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true?
Yes, ma'am.
And each of the cause numbers, the court will find violation of condition number 5 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Your Honor. And we did.
This case shows how one decision in court can change an entire life. Will he really turn things around or fall back into the same mistakes? If you want more real courtroom stories that teach powerful life lessons, hit subscribe now and turn on notifications, because the next story might change the way you see justice forever.